Number 12. Baby giant pandas. When giant pandas are born, they're pink, lined, and hairless. Number 11. Tapir calves. Tapir calves have camouflage-like markings that disappear when they're older. Number 10. Young swans. Young swans have short necks and are covered in a thick coat of down. Number 9. Emu chicks. Emu chicks are characterized by brown and cream-colored stripes. Number 8. Bald eagle chicks. Bald eagles are born with light-gray bodies. Number 7. Tadpoles. Tadpoles have shorter bodies and longer tails than adult amphibians. Number 6. California condors. California condors don't grow their black plumage until they're older. Number 5. Baby silver-leaf monkey. As newborns, silver-leaf monkeys have orange growth. Number 4. Baby flamingos. Flamingos aren't pink when they're born. Number 3. Gray seal pups. Gray seal pups are born with a coat of white fur. Number 2. Baby echidnas. Echidnas don't grow spikes until they're 50 days old. Number. Baby kangaroos. Kangaroos are only